Okay, I'm gonna try to make the carne mechada. It's a dish that I tasted at work, and I was curious to see how I would be able to reproduce that. So let's give it a shot.
All right. So what we
Okay, what
have
I have
here
here is
is a piece of
chuck
beef.
roast beef,
I took a chuck roast,
and
and you can see
you have
that
to make
the
sure you
vein
see
are
the
going one
direction of the
direction. It'll be
vein because
easier
it's going to be real
to
important
pull it.
once you
What they call
pull the meat.
you know,
And I have a pot of water with
so I
bay
have some
leaves.
carrots.
I'm
This
going
is
to
just to make
add
stock.
salt,
Onions,
pepper, bouillon powder,
caldo de
which is
pollo.
called
Everybody
a
knows
caldo de
that.
pollo, and some.
And I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt.
What else do I have in there? I think I have a couple. Oh, onions. Yeah, onions. Okay.
All right, and we're
So
just gonna
I'm
let
gonna
it cook
bring that to a boil
enough so we can pull the meat and
and
get started.
cook it for about 45 minutes because that piece of meat was kind of big. And I'll show you what I'll do. Okay, now it's almost cooked, so I think I split it in half, and I'm gonna let it cool off so I can start pulling the meat. You'll see it's a very easy process. Okay, what you want to do is you want to pull the meat, kind of like you would do like pulled pork. That's what they do here in the U.S. And like some kind of string. It's a long process, but it's worth it. Trust me. I'm gonna fast forward and show you what it looks like when it's completely done. And there it is. I have about a bowl. This is probably roughly I'd say a pound of meat, maybe no, half a pound. Here comes the fun part. So, like I said, we have about a half a pound. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna saute the meat, olive oil, some garlic, chopped garlic. I have red bell peppers. I have a little bit left over. I didn't put it all. Okay. I'm gonna use the stove because it's kind of slow. This electrical thing is not working very well. So I'm adding the meat right now. I'll probably add a little more olive oil. Toss it up a little bit. Add my chopped up tomato. Add some seasoning in there. This is some tomato puree. I mean, not tomato puree, concentrated paste, tomato paste. Mix it all in together. And I have about a cup of that stock that I use to cook the meat that I'm going to add to it. So you got to be careful on the sodium content because that's already salted. I just added cumin and paprika, comino and paprika. Now some black pepper and a little bit of salt. Like I said, you want to keep watching the salt content. Now I'm adding the cilantro. We're almost done here. This is gonna simmer for another about 15 minutes. I got about a good 35 minutes total.